Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorible, how to create a website for your niche hobby business on Dorible, easy and quick. So first type Dorible on the search. Dorible website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. The AI website builder can generate an entire website with image and copy in seconds. So that's it. First, let's sign in. Now create new business. Now enter your business name, type or whatever you want, just any business name you want. So for example, I'm gonna enter this. Choose your industry and enter your location and choose your website language, and now create business and wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section on the website, the header of the website. Here you can change the site name if you want to change it. If you want to change the logo, if you want to upload the file, just turn this on. If you want to add a label here or change it, and if you want to add external link here, if you want to turn this on and manage your social links, also here you can add a channel and just select the type of the social link and here add the link. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to add a section, just click here and now just select the section, and that's it. So let's move to the next section. This is the banner of the website. If you want to change this, just click regenerate and it will be regenerated. If you want to change the subtext, if you don't like it, just click regenerate and it will be changed. Also here, if you want to turn this on and add a label or add a link, so I'm gonna turn this off and let's save this. So now let's move on to the next section, the gallery of the website. You can change this. You can also generate images, and if you want to upload images from browser, for example, let's pick some images from browser. I'm gonna choose this. Just put it here and it will be uploaded. Also, if you want to upload image from library or from here, for example, uh, for example, let's choose this. So now let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text of the website. You can regenerate it if you don't like it. You can edit the type of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the list of the website. You can change this. You can also manage your display settings to choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here, if you want to change or manage your list items, you can add a list item. If you want to generate image, here if you want to generate the title, and if you want to generate the content. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the testimonials section. You can add testimonials. if you want to generate code, if you want to generate this by who, and if you want to upload image here. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the location of the website. You can change this. You can change your business address, and also you can add additional text files. You can add the title or the content. So let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the contact form of the website. If you want to regenerate this, the contact form like this. If you want to manage files from here, and if you want to turn this on and custom input labels like this, here you can manage this. If you want to generate form success message, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the footer of the website. You can change your business name. Also you can turn this on and upload a file. You can here add additional details, and you can turn this on and add a label and external link. Here also you can manage your social links, and you can add the channel. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to regenerate any content of this section, you can just select the content and it will be regenerated. If you want to regenerate the style of any section you want, just select the style like this. If you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like the entire section, just select entire section and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section from here, and it will be duplicated. If you want to delete the section from here, click delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down like this, so that's it. Now let's save this and wait a few seconds to generate or publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. That's how to create and publish your website, and you can now publish and easy and quick. This is how to edit your business website. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.